It's been a while since I've done a vlog style video, and I think that's what this video is going to become. I did a lot of cleaning in the truck. I actually took the bed liner out. There's a rust hole here, which I may not worry about today. But when we I got tools and stuff in here. But when we took a lot of stuff out of the truck, there is a rust hole there, and then there's two other holes that I drilled for stereo wires. If you look from this direction, that's the tailpipe, which happens to be leaking. So the exhaust fumes are basically going right into the truck. So what we're gonna do is I have some leftover metal from when we did the floor here. I'm gonna make a couple little patches. Got my persuasion tool here that I got from Harbor Freight yesterday. I have some seam sealer, and I got this awesome little flashlight. It's a folding light. It's magnetic, and you can see it'll light up that space really nice, because in the garage it's kind of dark. Yeah, that magnet's strong enough to pick up a hammer. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so I went to Harbor Freight last night. I don't know how this is going to work. It seems like it's stiffer than it should be, but yeah, we'll see. Also, you can see in the bed of the truck, I think I got to put air in this tire. Of course, it's one of the big tires that's leaking. I picked up a couple lawnmowers. This one's a 14.5 horse Briggs & Stratton. I got to put air in the tires. Get this out of the bed of the truck, which means I need to take my ramps. So I almost forgot. And yeah, then if I have depending on how long it takes me to patch the floor, I'll worry about making a patch for the bed. Otherwise, it'll be fine. That being said, let's get on with the day. I have to apologize. I was not able to film anything at the shop. There was too much activity going on. But I was able to get pictures, and I'll put them in while I'm talking about it. So what I did is I took the plasma cutter and I cut the patch out of here. Ooh, I need to fill that in again. That must be what fell. Okay. That's not 100% fixed. I'll have to take care of that. So I cut a patch out, and I welded a piece in, and then I put seam sealer around it, and then I sprayed it with excuse me, this Rust-Oleum rust converter paint, and that made it a lot better. This is not a sponsored spot at all, but I will tell you right now, I would 100% recommend this light from Harbor Freight. But yeah, so that made things a lot quieter. But that'll be it for today.